Picture an alien spaceship hovering above Earth, its crew scribbling notes about us. What would they think of humans? Would they marvel at our skyscrapers and smartphones? Or be utterly confused by our obsession with cat videos and reality TV? Today, we're diving into the mind of an alien anthropologist to uncover what science says about our strangest habits, and what makes us truly unique. Stick around, because you might see humanity in a whole new way. Let's open the aliens field notes to the first page, labeled Humans, the Conflict Paradox. Imagine aliens observing a city from above, watching humans argue. On social media, in traffic, even at family dinners, their notes say, these creatures build incredible tools, yet they fight over who gets the armrest on a flying machine called an airplane. Sound familiar? Science backs this up. Evolutionary biology tells us humans are wired for conflict because our ancestors competed for scarce resources like food and territory. This is why we get territorial over parking spots or Wi-Fi passwords. A 2018 study in Nature found that humans are more likely to cooperate within groups but clash with outsiders, a trait called tribalism. It's why we cheer for our team but boo the rival. Here's where the aliens get puzzled. Humans also wage wars over ideas, politics, religion, even pineapple on pizza. This is uniquely human. Unlike animals, we create abstract beliefs and defend them fiercely. The aliens note, why do they argue over invisible concepts when they could just share the pizza? That's a great question. The alien notes move to the next page. Humans and their shiny boxes. They're talking about our tech obsession. Picture aliens watching someone scroll TikTok for hours, ignoring the sunset outside. Their notes read, humans stare at glowing rectangles, seeking something called likes. Are they worshipping these devices? Let's break this down. Sociology studies, like one from Pew Research in 2023, show that 70% of adults check their phones within 5 minutes of waking up. Why? It's not just addiction. Our brains release dopamine, a feel-good chemical. When we get notifications, it's the same reward system that kept our ancestors hunting for food, but now it's hijacked by algorithms. The aliens notice something stranger. Humans cry at movies, laugh at memes, and get angry at strangers online. These creatures leak water from their faces when watching fictional stories. The notes say, psychology explains this. Humans have mirror neurons, brain cells that let us feel what others feel. A 2020 study in Neuroscience showed that when we see someone cry, our brain mimics their emotions. It's why you tear up at a rom-com or cheer at a sports game. The final tech note is sharp. Humans invented machines to save time, then spend that time arguing with other humans on the machines. That stings because it's true. Now, the alien notes reach a turning point. Humans are chaotic, they write, but there's something special. Let's explore the science of what makes us stand out. First, creativity. Humans don't just survive. We invent. From cave paintings to AI, we imagine things that don't exist and make them real. A 2021 study in Creativity Research Journal found that humans excel at divergent thinking, coming up with multiple solutions to a problem. No other species writes symphonies or builds rockets. Second, hope. Even in tough times, humans look forward. Evolutionary psychologists say this comes from our ability to plan long-term. Unlike animals focused on the present, it's why we set goals, dream of better days, and keep going after failures. Finally, connection. The aliens observe humans hugging, high-fiving, and helping strangers. A 2019 study in Science Advances found that humans are uniquely altruistic, often helping others at personal cost. It's not just family. We build communities, charities, even global movements. The final note, humans are messy, but they're ditty. Their ability to create, hope, and connect might just make them extraordinary. So, what would aliens think of us? According to science, we're a wild mix of conflict, tech obsession, and deep emotions, but also creativity, hope, and connection. Maybe they're right, we're messy, but we're kind of amazing too. Here's your challenge: if you could tell an alien one thing about humanity, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading every single one. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, hit that like button, subscribe to the Wisdom Tooth, and ring the bell for more mind-bending videos. Until next time, keep looking up, because you never know who's watching.